Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by selecting the right steel zip tie and personal protection. This matters because stainless grades differ in corrosion resistance and strength. Once chosen, measure the bundle and add 1/2 the wrap length for overlap so you can tighten properly. Make the first pass through the head and position tails. Make sure to orient the toothed side inward for maximum bite. Tighten by hand initially to seat the teeth, then prepare the tensioning tool for controlled tightening. You now focus on controlled tensioning and correct positioning so the tie holds without cutting into the bundle. Attach the tensioning tool to the tail and gradually increase torque. Use a setting around 20 to 40% of rated tension for most applications and higher only for heavy loads. Make sure the tie lies flat and any nearby sharp edges are covered with a sleeve. Once you see the teeth fully seated with no gap, you're ready to shear the tail cleanly. You perform the final cut and finish to ensure a safe, long-lasting installation. Use the tool's shear or a flush cutter to trim the tail as close as possible without damaging the head. This prevents snagging and improves appearance. Once trimmed, deburr the edge with a file and test by moving the assembly to find any chafing points. If you notice slippage or deformation, replace the tie and retention, or step up to a thicker gauge, or consider crimping or welding for permanent fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.